Hi everyone. Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. So we're going to start with grade 9 maths. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password provided by the administration. Then you have to select math as a subject. Select math from the subject tab. Then you have to go to grade 9 maths, scroll down to grade 9 math, and the top we are going to start with a new chapter today, and the topic name is the chapter we're going to start is measurement. So find the chapter on DA plus. The chapter name is measurement. Let's start with the measurement. So we're going to start with measurement, and the topic is the first topic from this chapter, that is precision. We're going to start with precision. Got it? Okay, let's start with the very first topic, that is precision. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important points on your notebook. Got it? Okay, so let me first explain what is the precision. Got it? So you can note down the definition. I'm going to write on the board. Precision means how exact a measurement is. Got it? Precision means how exact a measurement is. Got it? So when the units are same, the measurements with more decimal places is more precise. Got it? So when the measurements are same, the measurements with more decimal places is more precise. Note down the definitions on your notebook, please. Okay, I'm going to let's start with the definition with examples. So you are given two of the measurements. You need to see which measurement is more precise. So which measurement is more precise, and you are given two of them, and the two are 22 hours and 21.95 hours. You need to see which of them is more precise. So the 22 hours is measured to hours. We measured them into hours, and the second one is 21.95. This is measured to the hundredth of an hour. So measured to the hundredth of an hour, and the hundredth of an hour is smaller unit than an hour. So the measurement 21.95 is more precise than the 22 hour. Got it? So that's the same point I written on the board earlier. The when the units are the same, the measurements with more decimal places is more precise. So the one that has more decimal places is more precise. Got it? Okay, let's start with another example. Okay, the other example is which measurement is more precise? Okay, which measurement is more precise? And you are given two of the values, they are 44.1 yards and 65 yards. So see, 65 is measured to yards, but 44.1 is measured to tenth. That is the tenth. So that is the measure to tenth of the yards. So the one that has the more decimal places is more precise than the other one. So the 44.1 yards is the more precise. That is the correct option. Got it? Okay, the next example is which measurement is more precise, and the values are and the measurements are 38 quarts, 82 quarts, and 38.82 quarts. So which one is more precise? Yes, the one that has more decimal places is the more precise. Got it? So that is 38.32. Okay, on the top right corner, you have a test button. Let's start with the test. Let me go to grade 9 math, then we'll start with the test questions. Here you have the topic measurement, and we are on the first topic, that is precision, and we're going to start with the test. Okay, the first one is which measurement is more precise, 58.09 or 9 centimeters. So which one is the correct option? Yes, the first option, very good. Because the one that has the more decimal places is, both of them have the same unit centimeter, but the one that has more decimal places is more precise. Got it? Okay, select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, which measurement is more precise? 86 gallons and 45.7 gallons. So both of them have same unit. So that means the one that has the more decimal places is more precise. Got it? So that would be very good, 45.7 gallons. Select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is which measurement is more precise? 65.29 cl and 40.7 cl. So which one is more precise? Very good. That's the first option, because the first option has the more decimal places. So the one that has more decimal places is more precise. Got it? Okay, the next one is which measurement is more precise? 41 tons or 95.4 tons? Yes, 95.4 tons is the more precise. Got it? Okay, which measurement is more precise? 36.06 cups or 97 cups. Very good. The first one, because it has the more decimal places, so that would be more precise. Got it? Okay. So you can complete the test right after this session or later today. I'm just moving on to the next lesson. Just click on the back button so that we can on the next lesson. Got it? If you need more help with this topic, any problem, any confusion, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? Okay, let's just move on to the next lesson. The next lesson is convert rate and measurements customary units. So let me write down the lesson name. Convert rates and measurements customary units. Okay, let's start with examples. The first one is convert 32 ounces to how many pounds? So we have to write a conversion factor to convert ounces to pounds, but ounces is in the denominator so that they will cancel out the ounces that are given. So we know that in 1 pound we have 16 ounces. Got it? So that's why we have to divide the 32 ounces by the 16 ounces so that we can get the answer in the pounds. Got it? 32 ounces divided by the 16 ounces, and 16 times 2 is 12, so that means you have 2 pounds. Got it? You have to memorize these very basic units. We know that in 1 pound we have in 1 pound we have 16 ounces. Got it? Okay, the next one is 20 feet equals how many inches? Okay, 20 feet equals how many inches? So we know that in 1 feet we have 12 inches. Got it? Now you have 20 feet. You have to find the answer in the inches. So feet is the greater unit. You have to go to the inches. So that's why you have to multiply them. Got it? You have to do 12 times 12, 20 times 12, and 20 times 12 is 240 inches. Got it? When you are so in 20 feet, you have 240 inches. Got it? Okay, the next one is 57 feet equal how many inches? Okay, we know that in 1 inch we have 12, in 1 feet you have 12 inches. Sorry, in 1 feet you have 12 inches. So you're converting from feet to inches. So you have to multiply 57 times 12 so that you can in the inches. So 57 times 12 is 684 inches. Got it? So we have mm, learned two of the conversions from pounds to ounces and from feet to inches. So when you're moving from pounds to ounces, you have to 1 pound equal 2 ounces, and from feet to inches, in 1 feet we have 12 inches. Got it? Okay, on the top right corner you have a test button. Let's start with the test. Okay, the first one is 57 feet equal how many inches? That's the one we just did on board. So the correct option is 57 feet equals how many inches? And the correct option is 674 or 684. So which one is the correct one? First one or the second one? The second one is the correct one, 684, because we know that in 1 feet we have 12 inches. So you have to do 57 times 12. Got it? So 57 times 12 equals 684. So the correct option is 684. So select the correct option and move on to the next question. Okay, the next one is um, 33 cups equals how many fluid ounces? So you have to convert from cups to fluid on ounces. So in 1 cup we have 8 fluid ounces. So that means you have to multiply the 33 times 8, because you are converting from cup to ounces. So you have to do 33 times 8. So 33 times 8 is 264. So that means 33 cups equals 264 fluid ounces. Got it? So select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 24 tablespoons equals how many fluid ounces? So we need to learn the conversion rate. So the conversion rate is in 1 fluid ounces you have 16 tablespoons. In 1 fluid ounces you have 2 tablespoons. Sorry, it's 24 tablespoons, not. So you have to tablespoon is the smaller unit, you have to convert it into the greater one. So divide the 24 by 2 so that we can get the answer. So 24 divided by 2 is 12. So that means we have 12 fluid ounces. Got it? So select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 17 feet equals how many inches? So you are converting from feet to inches. We know that in 1 feet we have 12 inch. So just multiply 17 by 12. So 17 times 12 is 204 inches. Got it? You can note down these conversion rates on your notebook. They are very helpful when you are doing test questions or practice questions. Got it? Okay, the next one is 36 cups equals how many quarts? So we know that in 1 cup we have 4 quarts. 1 cup we have 4 quarts. So so we are converting from cups to quarts. So we have to divide 36 by 4. That means we have 36 cups equals 9 quarts. Got it? 36 cups equals 9 quarts. Got it? Okay, the next question is 56 cups equals how many fluid ounces? 56 cups equals how many fluid ounces? So we know that in one quart equal 32 fluid ounces. 1 cup equal 32 fluid ounces. So you have to do 56 times 32. Got it? Just multiply 56 times 32 and that would be 1792 ounces. Got it? Okay, so you can complete the test by yourself later today or um, right after the session. I am moving on to the next lesson. The next lesson is just click on the back button so that we can on the next lesson. So if you need more help with this topic, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday 5 to 9. Got it? So the next lesson is convert and rates and measurements metric units. So for the metric units, you have to learn the conversion rates like we did for this one. So just understand the conversion rates so that you can do the conversions. Got it? So let's start with the example. That is the first one is 106 milliliters equals how many centimeters? So the first one is 150 milliliters equals how many centiliters? Sorry, not centimeters. How many centiliters? Okay, so the conversion rate is write the conversion factor. So the conversion factor is 1 centiliter equals 10 milliliter. So you are converting from milliliter to centiliter. So you have to divide milliliter by 150 by 10. So 150 divided by 10 is 15. That means 50 150 milliliter equals 15 centiliters. Got it? So this is the conversion factor basically. 1 centiliter equal 100 milliliter. You can note down these important points on your notebook. They are very helpful when you are doing test questions. Got it? Okay, the next question is okay, the next question is the next one is 1000 milliliters equals how many meters? So let me just go to the lesson. So we are on convert rates and measurements metric units. So let's start with the test. Let's start with the test. So 960 millimeters equals how many centimeters? So you have to convert from 96 millimeters to centimeters. So we know that in 1 millimeter we have 10 centimeters. Got it? Let me do it on board. 96 millimeters, 960 millimeters equals how many centimeters? So the conversion factor from to convert from millimeter to centimeter is in 1 millimeter you have 10 centimeters. So you have to divide 960 millimeters by 10 so that you can convert to the centimeter. So when you divide 960 by 10 it would be 96 centimeters. So the answer is 96 centimeters. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 470 milligrams equals how many centigrams? So you have to convert from milligrams to centigrams. So you have to write a conversion factor. So the conversion factor is in 1 milligram you have 10 centigrams. So you have to divide 470 by 10. So 470 divided by 10 equals 47 centigrams. Got it? So the next one is 400 centiliters equals how many liters? 400 centiliters equals how many liters? So in 1 centiliter you have 100 liters. In 1 centiliter you have 100 liters. So just divide 400 centiliters by 100 so that the answer is 4 liter. That means 400 centiliter equals 4 liters. Got it? So select the correct option and click on the OK button. The next one is 280 millimeters equal how many centimeters? So we know that in 1 millimeter you have 100 centimeters. So when you divide 280 by 100, the answer is, sorry, in 1 millimeter you have 10 centimeters. So you have to divide this by 10. So 280 divided by 10 is 28. So the correct option is 28. Got it? Select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 175 kilometers equals how many meters? So in 1 meter, how many meters do we have? In 1 meter, you have 1000. In 1 kilometer, you have 1000 meters. So in 175 kilometers, how many meters do you have? You have to multiply 775 by 1000 is 175,000. One important point, when you are converting from greater unit to the smaller one, you have to multiply with the conversion rate. Got it? And when you are converting from smaller to greater one, then you have to divide them. Got it? So kilometers is a greater unit. Meter is the smaller one. That's why you multiplied 170 by 1000. Got it? So you are converting from the greater unit to the smaller one. You have to multiply. And when you are converting from smaller to the greater one, you have to divide by the conversion unit. Got it? So 175 kilometer equal 175,000 meters. Got it? So select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 61 centiliters equal 61 centiliters equal how many milliliters? So 61 centiliter is a greater unit. You are going to the milliliter. Milliliter is the smaller one. So we know that in 1 centiliter we have 10 milliliters. So you have to do 61 times 10, and 61 times 10 is 610 milliliters. Got it? So the correct option is 610. So select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay. The next one is 211 grams equals how many milligrams? So grams is a greater unit. You are going from greater to, sorry, 211. Greater unit to the smaller one. So you have to multiply. 211 grams equals how many milligrams? So in 1 gram you have 1000. In 1 gram you have 1000 milligrams. So you have to multiply 211 by 1000. So that is 211,000. Got it? So you can complete the test by yourself. I'm moving on to the next lesson. If you have any problem with the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. So I am moving on to the next lesson, that is greatest possible error. So let me just move on to the next lesson. The next lesson is greatest possible error. Greatest possible error. Okay, so let's start with the example. What is the greatest possible error for a measurement of 5 feet? Let me write down the example. What is the greatest possible error for a measurement of 5 feet? Okay, so the measurement of 5 feet was made to the nearest whole feet. So the greatest possible error in half of 1 foot is zero point 0.5. Got it? So the greatest possible error in the greatest possible error is half of the unit of measure. Half of the unit of measurement is rounded. So if a measurement is made to the nearest hole, like 5 feet is measured to the nearest hole, so the greatest possible error is zero point 0.5. 1 feet and the half of the 1 feet is zero point 0.5. So the greatest possible error is zero point 0.5. Got it? Like for the whole numbers, like 5 is a whole number, so you have to add half of the unit feet, half of the 1 feet. So 1 feet, the half of the 1 feet is zero point 0.5. That means the greatest possible error is zero point 0.5. Got it? Okay, the next one is what is the greatest possible error uh, uh, for a measurement of 4 kilometers? So again, kilometers, 4 kilometers. 4 is a whole number. So for the whole number, you have to, the greatest possible error is half of the unit of measurement. So the half of 1 is 0.5. So again, the greatest possible error is 0.5 in this case. Got it? Okay. Now let's do another example. What is the greatest possible error for the measurement of 0.02 ounces? Okay, now it's not a whole number. It's a decimal value. 0.002 ounces. So the measurement of 0.02, sorry, not 002, it's just 0.02. 0.02. Okay, so the measurement of 0.02 ounces, 0.02 ounces was made to the nearest of 0.01. That means it is made to the one decimal place, two decimal places. So you have to calculate half of the two decimal places, 0.01, and you have to divide it by 2. So when you divide 0.01 by 2, it would be 0.005 ounces. What you did, that value is 0.02, that is to two decimal places, up to two decimal places. So you have to divide the value 0.01 divided by 2, so that the error is 0.005 ounces. Got it? The greatest possible error is 0.005 ounces. So on the top right corner, you have a test button. So let's start with the test. Okay, the first one is, what is the greatest possible error for the measurement of 0.002 ounces? That's the one I just did on the board. So you have to look for the two decimal places. So 0.0022. So you have to divide uh, the value of the unit to the 2. So when you divide 0.001 to the 2, that equals 0.005. You have to divide 0.01, sorry, again, that is an extra zero I added, sorry, at 0.02. So you have to divide 0.01 by 2, so it is 0.005. Got it? So you are given two of the options. So the correct option is 0.005. Select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is, what is the greatest possible error for 8 kilometers? So 8 kilometers is a whole number. So divide the 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is 0.5. So that means in the case of whole number value, the answer is always the 0.5. Got it? Okay, the next one, what is the greatest possible error of 0.02 meter? Again, you have a 0.02 meter. So divide 0.01 by 2. So the answer is 0.005. Again, in the case is 0.02. So divide the 0.02 by 2. So it would be 0.005. This is already written on the board. Got it? Select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, what is the greatest possible error of a measurement of 5 ton? So 5 is a whole number. So I already explained, in the case of whole number, when you have the whole number, the value is always 0.5. Got it? Okay, what is the greatest possible error of 8 milligrams? So again, 8 is a whole number. So in case of whole milligrams, the greatest possible error is always 0.5. Got it? Okay. The next one is, what is the possible error of 1.0 foot? So again, 1 is a whole number. So in the case of whole number, the value is, very good, it is 0.5. Got it? Oh, we have a decimal value 1.0. Sorry, so in the case of 1.0, you have to consider one decimal place, so you have to divide 0.1 by 2. Got it? Because you are given with one decimal place, so you have to consider the decimal place, so you have to divide 0.1 by 2. When you divide 0.1 by 2, it would be 0.005 feet. Got it? So in this case the error is 0.05. Got it? So select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is, what is the greatest possible error for a measurement of 25 meter? So 25 is a whole number. So in this case, again, the greatest possible error is 0.5. Got it? So select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is, what is the greatest possible error uh, for a measurement of 8 grams? So 8 is a whole number. So the answer is, yes, it is 0.5. In case of whole number, the answer is always 0.5. Okay, what is the next one is, again, what is the greatest possible error for a measurement of 5 feet? So again, 5 is a whole number. So in the case of whole number, the greatest possible error is always 0.5. Got it? Okay. The next one is, what is the greatest possible error for the measurement of 25 ounces? So 25 ounces is again a whole number. So the in the case of whole number, the greatest possible error is always 0.5. Got it? So select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is, again, what is the greatest possible error for the measurement of 4 kilometers? So 4 kilometers, 4 is a whole number. So in the case of whole number, the error is always 0.5. Got it? Okay, good. The next one is, what is the greatest possible error for the measurement of 5 quarts? So again, 5 is a whole number. So in the case of whole number, the value is always 0.5. Got it? So you can complete the test right after the session or later today. We have done four of the topics. We have completed four of the topics today. We are doing the chapter measurement on grade 9 maths, and the topics we did today are precision, convert rates and measurements customary units, convert rates and measurements metric units, unit prices with conversion, and greatest possible error. Got it? So we have done four of the lessons today. So make sure before the next class you have completed all the topics, all the tutorials and test as well. So if you have any problem with the topics, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday. Got it? That's all for today. See you in the next class. Bye.